What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. So for this video, we're actually going to be doing an unboxing for the WAHL DELUXE Chrome Pro at-home haircutting kit. Now, this by all means is not a professional grade kit, so I don't want any barbers out there roasting me, because we all know it's about your skill set and not about the equipment that you use. Instead of paying thousands of dollars for a haircutting kit, I actually wanted to keep everything as budget friendly as possible. Wanted to keep everything under $50 to $60. That way anyone interested in joining, they can afford the equipment to get started. Now, there are a few other things that you will need, such as some type of disinfectant spray, a 0 to 1.5 guard, and a flat top comb. I'm going to be going through this entire course teaching you how to cut hair with the same hair cutting kit. That way there's no confusion at all. Everything listed over here is actually in my kit.com account, listed in the description below. So make sure to check that out after this video. Also, if you aren't already, go follow my YouTube and Instagram account at The Phoenix Barber. Now, enough talk, let's get to the unboxing. Now for the good part. Ooh, I feel like a kid on Christmas Day. You guys have no idea. When you try to learn on YouTube, there's a lot of things that they leave out, a lot of important things, such as sanitation. They don't explain all the guards, all the barber terms. When I was starting to learn, I had no clue what they were talking about, and I had to look up all these things and find out all on my own, and there's a lot of things that I didn't really get at the beginning. It was very time consuming. The idea behind this course is that everything's gonna be straightforward. Everything that you need to get started is just gonna be right there, and it's gonna be a very simple curriculum, easy to follow. Hopefully I can make it as self-explanatory as possible, and that's the goal for this whole course, is to teach you everything that you need to know. And eventually, if you do want to pursue this as a career, then I want to help guide you so you know exactly where to go after all of this, if you want to get better at this craft, if you end up liking it, because it's an amazing industry. So, we got the box, all right? Everything over here. It comes with a very nice case so you can keep all your stuff in. Open it up. You got your cape. You got your shears. Some basic shears. Make sure to keep it kind of oiled all the time. Some instructions. You don't really need all this because I'll be teaching you how to use everything. Now you keep going, and we got your clippers. Ooh, these bring back memories. I used to cut people's hairs in the dorms using these. Bunch of people on the weekend. I'd have all the athletes in my dorm, and I'd just be cutting everybody up. I was dorming with my cousin at the time, and we'd be studying at like 3 a.m. at NAU, and I would just look at him and be like, "Hey bro, let me cut your hair." And this is when I was still learning. A very brave soul, and he was just like, "All right, let's do it." And I'd just be practicing all these different type of techniques on him. These clippers, they're very powerful. I used them the other day, and I was practicing different cuts on them, and I was like, wow, these hit. But it does have that lever, adjustable. You can actually adjust the blade, which I'll teach you how to do that in further videos. You got your oil and your brush, which is very important. Now we have some combs. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let's open this up. Barber's gonna be roasting me because I'm cutting this plastic with these shears, but it's okay. So the left and right ear guard, I don't know why anyone ever used these, but you don't really need these ones. I don't know if you can see that, but it says left and right on the guard. You don't need that. But you do need these combs, so it does come with some combs, a taper comb. What is this? You don't need that either. You will need some of these. These are like your hair clips. So it comes with 2 of these. Some of the most important pieces. Give me those shears. Oh yeah. So it comes with your 1 through 8 guards. So it has everything that you need, very basic. 1 through 8. And remember, you will also need these right here. Again, it's gonna be in the description below. When you're doing fades, the 0 and a 1.5 guard is extremely important for beginners and professionals. And last but not least, you got your edgers. Now for these, you will need a battery for it. Just a AA battery, just one. And I will teach you how to set all your equipment throughout the course. This is literally everything that you need to get started. That's gonna be it for the unboxing. It has everything that you need, you know exactly what you're gonna buy. Under $50 to $60, you can never beat that price. Make sure to check out that description below for my kit.com account. It has all the equipment that you need. Make sure to follow my Instagram and YouTube account at The Phoenix Barber. Thank you for tuning in for this video. I'll see you in the next video, guys. See ya.